Hello and welcome to Educare Live. Let's get started and look into our daily quiz. Let's look into our first question. The first question is, which of the following is not in the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution? So before we're going to start the session, we have to know about the list. Okay, so what are the types of list? There are three types of list. Okay, normally one is your union list, one is your state list, one is your concurrent list. So in union list we have 100 list number, okay, and state list we have 61 and concurrent list we have 52. Okay, list. So what are these? Normally we have in union list, you can say railway is coming under union list, banking also coming under union list, defense also coming under union list. Okay, likewise in state list, what are coming under the state list? One is your police, one is your health, likewise your public order. Okay, this comes coming under your state list. So what are these the list, what are the part are coming under your what concurrent list? In concurrent list we have the education, you can say education, you can say marriage, you can say forest. These are coming under your concurrent list. So the question is, what, which of the following is not in the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution? So the answer is public order. Okay, so moving to the next question. Under Schedule 7 of the Constitution, the subject education lies under which list? Okay, so I already told about this. So the education subject lies under your concurrent list. Okay, so moving to the next question. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the municipalities? So before going to take the answer, we have to discuss about municipalities and panchayat raj system. So in year 1992, the constitutional amendment of 73rd panchayat raj system is comes. Okay, and 74 amendment municipality added in our constitution. Okay, so what are the schedule? Schedule is, one is your coming under schedule XI and one is your coming under schedule XII, means one is 11th schedule, another is 12th schedule. Okay, so the answer is what you can see here, but here the question is a part. Okay, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with this? Okay, so the part is your IX. Okay, IXA, and IXA is your municipalities. Okay, only IX is your panchayat raj system and IXB is your cooperative society. So the answer is what? IXA. So moving to the next question. Which of the following topics comes under the state list? Okay, so here is the options. Here are options. You can see insurance is coming under your union list. Foreign affairs also coming under your union list. Employment and unemployment coming under your concurrent list. So rest is toll tax is coming under your state list. So the question is what? Question is, which of the following topics comes under the state list? So the answer is what? Toll tax. So moving to the next question. Which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains provision regarding anti-defection? So anti-defection, in the year 1985, at the time of Rajiv Gandhi, Mr. ex-PM Rajiv Gandhi, late ex-PM Rajiv Gandhi, anti-defection rules are comes to our constitution. So in which amendment? The amendment is 52nd amendment. In which schedule? 10th schedule. Okay, so the answer is what? 10th schedule. So moving to the next question. How many parts were there in the Indian Constitution? So the answer is what? 22. This is very easy question. Okay, so moving to the next question. The forms of oaths and affirmation are mentioned in the dash schedule of the Constitution of India. So before going to take the correct answer, we have to discuss about the schedules. Okay, so first schedule is what? Name of union and territory. Union and territory. Second schedule is what? Regarding salary. Third is regarding your oath. Regarding your oath. And 4 is your regarding allocation of seat, Rajya Sabha. Okay. Fifth, what? Regarding your SC/ST. No. Fifth is your regarding your yes, SC/ST. And the sixth is your allocation of seats at the 80 mm, means Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. There is no money, means Manipur is not coming under 80 mm. So this is special provision. And 7 is your what? Sorry, there is some disturbance occur in my phone. So the forms of oaths or affirmation are mentioned in the dash schedule of the Constitution of India. So the answer is your what? Third schedule. Okay, so moving to the next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Okay, fundamental duty part IVA is correctly also matched. The states part VI correctly matched. Service under union and states correctly matched. Service under union and states means 308 to 312 article. Okay, so fundamental duty also matched, states also matched, but Attorney General of India not matched here, because what? Attorney General of India coming under your union. Okay, the part B, okay, means 51 to 52 to 151 article. So how is it possible that Attorney General of India is coming under XAAA? So the correct answer is your C. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and all the very best.